A battery is like a little energy container that powers your toys, phones, or flashlights. It holds energy inside and lets it out in a way your device can use. But how does it do that? Let's break it down. 1. Batteries have three main parts. Think of a battery as having a team that works together to make energy. The positive side, cathode. This is the part where energy wants to go. Think of it like the finish line. This is where the energy starts. It's like the starting line. The middle stuff. This is a special liquid or paste that helps the energy move from the negative side to the positive side. 2. How the energy moves. Inside the battery, there's a chemical reaction happening. This reaction creates tiny particles called electrons. These electrons are what your device uses as power. Here's how it works. The electrons start on the negative side of the battery. They want to reach the positive side, but they can't go straight through the battery. Instead, they travel through a wire or circuit in your device to get there. As they move, they power things like lights, motors, or screens along the way. 3. Why does a battery run out? The chemicals inside the battery can only make so many electrons. Once they've used up all their energy, the battery can't make any more electrons, and it's dead. That's why you have to recharge or replace it. In rechargeable batteries, when you plug them in, electricity reverses the chemical reaction, filling the battery with new energy so it can work again. In non-rechargeable batteries, you can't reverse the reaction, so once it's out of energy, you need a new one. 4. Why do some batteries last longer? Some batteries are bigger or have better chemicals inside, so they can make more electrons and last longer. For example, tiny watch batteries don't last as long because they're small. Bigger batteries, like those in cars, hold a lot more energy because they're designed for bigger jobs. Fun facts about batteries. Batteries come in all sizes, from tiny ones in hearing aids to giant ones in electric cars. They all work the same way, moving electrons to create energy. The first battery. The first battery was made over 200 years ago by a scientist named Alessandro Volta. That's why we measure electricity in volts. Batteries in nature. Even lemons and potatoes can work as batteries because they have acids that can help move electrons. So what's the big idea? A battery works by storing energy in chemicals. When you connect it to a device, it creates a path for electrons to flow from the negative side to the positive side, powering the device along the way. Once the chemicals run out, the battery stops working and you either recharge it or replace it. It's like a little energy factory in your pocket.